Hello, and welcome to Math 7 Curriculum Night Information for Standard Math students. Your 7th grade math teachers include Mrs. Robinson, Mrs. Hibbler, Mrs. McCree, Mrs. Gilligan-Latta, and Mrs. Thorpe. The best way to communicate with your teacher is by their personal email. You can also view the quarterly newsletter, teacher website, and checking with your student through their agenda. It is important to note that students are responsible for maintaining their math notebook. This can be a notebook or a binder used solely for your math class. The topics we will cover in your Math 7 class include number systems with the focus on integer operations, expressions and equations where students are responsible for solving several types of equations, including two-step and multi-step equations, geometry with the focus on angles, area, volume, and surface area, as well as circles, rates, ratios, and proportions, where students will identify the constant of proportionality from a table, graph, or equation, as well as be able to solve problems with percentages. Students will also be introduced to statistics and probability, where experimental probability is a focus, as well as probability of compound events. Students will use IXL through the course of Bronco block or within the classroom block. Students' login and password information should be found in the front of their agenda where they have been requested to write this information down. Students will also use resources such as Castle Learning. Math homework is handed out for the week on Monday, and it is collected on Friday. It is important to note that homework is checked daily. When students show their work, they should follow a formatting that allows the teacher to follow their work in a neat format. Thank you for your time, and if you have additional questions, please feel free to email your student's math teacher for further information.